Exactly 46 days after a couple in Abeokuta, Kehinde and Bukola and their son Oroluwa Fatiloye were killed, the Ogun State Police Command took the suspected killers and their accomplices to the court for prosecution. As early as 8 a.m., the policemen took the murder suspects, who were Lekon Adekombi, Waheed Adeniji and Odetola Ahmed, and 4 other accomplices, the mother of the couple's driver, Lekon, Mrs. Adenike Adekombi, his fiancé, Father Erote Mitopen, respectively, as well as 2 other suspects who bought the stolen car of the couple, Owolaja and Oluwapo, and Usman Aziz, to court. While the male suspects were in handcuffs, the females were only tied by their clothes to each other and led into the magistrate court. Police had paraded the suspects for murder and being accomplices to the crime.
The suspects were called one after the other by the clerk and magistrate for identification. The 7 suspects answered their presence in the court before the court began its sitting. However, the suspects were not arraigned at the first appearance in the court after they were arrested by the police. The applicant's counsel, ESQ Oluwatosin Jackson, moved an application motion for them to be remanded. Jackson said the application is backed up by the 14 paragraphs affidavit, praying the court to remand the suspects for 60 days before arraignment. Granting the application, the magistrate therefore ordered that the male suspects be remanded at the Oba prison, while the female suspects be remanded at the Ibarra Correctional Center for 60 days. The court said its decision to separate the suspects was because Oba prison does not have female facility, adding that the Ibarra Correctional Center has the facility for female. The remand for 60 days in the first instance, according to the magistrate, was pending the legal advice of the Department of Public Prosecution, DPP. The magistrate therefore adjourned the case to 17th of April 2023 for mention. Platform Times TV had earlier reported that the murder suspects were apprehended barely 40 days after the couple, alongside their son, were murdered in the state capital.